Hello students, welcome to this tutorial on Connected Classrooms application. In this video, you will understand how to install Connected Classrooms student application on Android devices and logging into it. First, open Play Store and search for Connected Classrooms application. Here you get Connected Classroom student app developed by Crisp Education. Click on install button and wait to install it in your device. Now click and open Connected Classroom application. Here it will ask you to log in as a student. Enter your username and password shared with you by your class teacher or school admin and click on Login. Please contact your school admin in case you have not received your username and password. In case you have forgot your password, you can use forgot password option to reset your password or contact your school admin. I have my password, so I'll click on login. After login, you will reach on your personalized dashboard. Please refer to our next tutorial to understand functionality and layout of the application. Thank you for watching this tutorial.
For further details, log on to www.crispeducation.com, www.connectedclassrooms.in.